Are you looking to buy a property but are too tired and bored to do physical site visits? Well, Property Cloud is right over here for your rescue. At Property Cloud, we help you do virtual property tours. How is that? Very simple. Let me tell you. Right now, I am at Godrej Reserve और मैं इस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में आपको सब बताने वाली हूँ, जैसे कि यहाँ का लोकेशन, यहाँ की अमेनिटीज, कारपेट एरियाज, द लैंड पार्सल, द नंबर ऑफ टावर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. All you need to do is stay tuned on Property Cloud with me, Ekta, and I'm going to tell you everything about Godrej Reserve. First of all, let me tell you that this is the biggest freehold land parcel of 18.6 acres. Now I'm going to proceed towards the Project 3D model and also tell you about the location and a lot more. Let's go. It is located in Kandivli, and from here, Akurli metro station is just 1 minute, Kandivli railway station is just 5 to 7 minutes, and the Western Express Highway is only 100 meters. Schools, colleges, malls, and even Growell 101 Mall is just 200 meters from here. DMart is at 800 meters from here. 6 towers with 50 plus world-class amenities waiting right over here for you. As you can see, the luscious greens and the towers rise, and also the podium level amenities that include swimming pool, play area, clubhouse, gymnasium, a multi-purpose hall, kids play area, and a lot more right over here. "50 premium world-class amenities that include play area, restaurant, cafes, poolside cafes, and also a gymnasium is something that you can witness right over here at Godrej Reserve. And this is the digital lock to your 1332 square feet 3 BHK apartment. Let's go inside and take a look at it. Right into this aisle area is your kitchen. And this kitchen is of 11 by 8 square feet, which is really big. It comes with these two quad slabs and also a quad sink. Now I have to tell you something about these quad sinks, and that is that a normal stainless sink will have stains or could also make a lot of sound, but these ones have a very good life and they are pretty tough also. This is your dry balcony right over here that comes with these wooden finished beautiful anti-skid tiles, and also it is covered from 3 sides. Also comes with an iron railing. 21.6 by 12 square feet is the size of this living and dining area. Very quickly, let's take a look at the dining area, and then I'm going to show you a very special part about the house, and that is right over here, your balcony. This balcony is of 12 by 4.8 square feet right over here, and let's indulge into nature. With this balcony, which is of 12 by 4.8, it comes covered from 3 sides, comes with a toughened glass railing and also wooden finished ceramic tiles. Also, if you notice the size of this foyer area, it is pretty big. And over here is your powder room, which is of approximately 5.4 by 5 square feet. All the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. Now the view of the house doesn't seem to cease, and right over here is a standing balcony behind me, and it comes with a complete glass fixture which you can see now. And this is the standing balcony and the window opens. And on my left hand side is the attached toilet also, which is of approximately 5 by 8 square feet and comes with a glass shower partition as well as the CP sanitary fittings. And now let's move into the bedroom number 2. At the entrance itself, they have given an attached toilet and wash, which is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet, and the similar pattern of the shower glass partition right over here. 13.5 by 11 is the dimension of the room, लेकिन उसके साथ ये जो standing balcony है, इसका एक अलग advantage है, और वो है if you can see this. So this whole area has been segregated exclusively for your views, and it comes with this iron railing over here, जिसमें यहाँ पर एक glass भी provide किया हुआ है, because this window opens and it opens right into nature, and it is indeed a big one, because of which there is amazing ventilation and perfect lighting. Talking about perfection, have we yet not seen the perfect master bedroom? Let's go very quickly and take a look at it. ये है आपका मास्टर बेडरूम. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं मास्टर बेडरूम कहाँ है, तो आपका मास्टर बेडरूम यहाँ पर है, पर ये इसलिए दिया गया है ताकि प्राइवेसी मेंटेन रहे. यहाँ पर हम आते हैं into the master bedroom, and here is the attached toilet and wash for it. This is of 8 by 5 square feet approximately, and comes with a shower glass partition as well. 12 by 15 square feet for a master bedroom is luxury redefined and reimagined. Well, this is also something that is redefined and reimagined, because as I told you, there is a lot of greenery around, and with these standing balconies you get to see the best of views, which is a little difficult in Kandivali, but Godrej has made it possible for us. This is Godrej Reserve, and if you think it ends here, no. Let me tell you more, but for that you need to stay tuned with me. Let's proceed. Booking window तो open हो चुकी है, and I'm sure आप यहाँ पर आके booking कर भी सकते हैं. But what's the benefit? The benefit is that if you book through Property Cloud, then you will get amazing offers and discounts. अब उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? नीचे कैप्शन में दिया हुआ है एक लिंक, उस पे आपको करना है क्लिक, and once you do that, our relationship manager will get you over here and help you with the whole booking process. Booking amount 10% है, but the total pricing is going to be a little different when you book with Property Cloud. So stay tuned with us ताकि आपको और भी properties की जानकारी हम यहाँ पर दे सकें. Thank you.